Now today, we're taking a deep dive into the UGREEN DXP4800 Plus NAS system. And for full disclosure, UGREEN did send this unit out for review, but they have no input on my thoughts or opinions. Everything that you hear is based on my own testing and experience. Now let's start with the basics. What is a NAS? Well, essentially a NAS, or network attached storage device, is essentially a secure, expendable way to store your data locally. Unlike cloud storage where your files live on third-party servers, NAS keeps everything on your own drives. This gives you full control over your data, eliminates recurring cloud fees, removes third-party access concerns, and offers faster speeds for large files like videos, backups, and work projects. So in short, it's basically a centralized storage hub. It's ideal for content creators like myself, photographers, small businesses, or families who always need available storage. Now UGREEN has several NAS models, each targeting different needs. The DXP4800 Plus is their high performance option, and compared to UGREEN's lower end 2-bay units with less processing power, this model stands out for its AI driven features, faster transfer rates, and traditional RAID support for data redundancy. And for those with truly massive libraries, UGREEN also makes A-bay and higher models. The DXP4800 Plus supports a variety of drives, from the 3.5 HDDs to SSDs, including the M2. And in this review, I'm using the 3.5 4TB physical drives, but you can also go much larger depending on your needs. And one thing that I love is that these drive trays don't require tools. All you have to do is clamp the tray onto your hard drive and it automatically locks in without screws. It's very simple and beginner friendly. And for reference, you have 136 terabytes, which is 47 million pictures, 142 million documents, and 92,000 HD movies. And I think that's an insane amount of capacity for offloading files from phones, tablets, or cloud accounts without constantly deleting older files. Inside the box, you'll find the NAS itself, documentation, a power adapter, 2 Cat7 Ethernet cables, 2 SSD thermal pads, and a screwdriver with screws for the 2.5 drive installation. Up front, you got the power button, network and drive indicator lights, an SD card slot, and both USB-C and USB-A ports. On the back, there's a magnetic dust filter, HDMI port, multiple Ethernet ports, a reset button, and the power input. And going into more why this is perfect for beginners like me, installation is as pretty straightforward as it gets. And once connected to power and your network, most users won't need manual formatting or complex configurations. It's just plug and play. And for Mac users, I actually found the Finder integration to be smoother than UGREEN's own software, especially when transferring Final Cut projects, and overall just avoiding the access deny errors that I ran into. Under the hood, it's powered by a 12th gen Intel 5-core processor. UGREEN rates it for transfer speeds of up to 1,250 megabytes per second, and in my tests, I moved about 256 gigabytes in 20 minutes. Not bad, though I'm still optimizing my setup. And SSD to NAS transfers are noticeably faster than HDD to NAS. And to put that into perspective, if I were to try this on a Google Drive, it would take me multiple hours, but with the same file to the NAS, it took me under an hour. And that's the difference between waiting forever and getting back to editing. Now the 4800 Plus runs UGREEN's custom OS designed for storage management, backups, and network access. It supports hybrid HDD to SSD storage, multiple RAID configurations, and has an extending app ecosystem with media streaming, backups, and one of my favorite touches is the shared folder feature. I can give my editor access to a specific folder without exposing my entire drive. It also has AI-powered photo management. The built-in AI can recognize people, pets, and location. It automatically sorts your library and allows instant keyword searches like dog or beach. And the best part is, it's all processed locally, so your data stays private. UGREEN also includes a dedicated security manager with encrypted storage, automatic backups, and multi-layer authentication. And because everything stays local, you're far less exposed to hacking or surveillance risks compared to cloud services. And as a content creator, being able to upload footage remotely while traveling or just letting an editor access archives directly is insanely helpful. And I think that no matter who you are and what you do, being able to store your movies, photos, or anything else is just very helpful. So for creators, professionals, or anyone managing large amounts of data, the DXP4800 Plus is a game changer. Not everyone needs 4 bays. UGREEN smaller models might be enough, but if you want something future-proof with AI and top-tier performance, then this is it. So let me know in the comments, you guys, what do you think about NAS setups? Also, if you're interested in the UGREEN DXP4800 Plus NAS system, click the link in the description and comment section of today's video.